Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn to Airtable for job application status tracking, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the Jobs tab at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the job listings that you want to track. For each job you're interested in, open the job posting in a new tab. Now, switch to a new tab and navigate to airtable.com. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged into Airtable, click on Add a Base to create a new base for tracking job applications. In the pop-up, select Start from Scratch and give your base a name, like Job Applications. In your new base, click on the first table, which will be named Table 1 by default. Rename this table to Applications by clicking on the name. Add columns to this table for relevant information like job title, company, status, and date applied. You can do this by clicking on the plus button next to existing columns. Now, go back to the LinkedIn job posting you opened earlier. Copy the job title from the LinkedIn job posting. Return to Airtable and paste the job title into the job title field. Next, copy the company name from LinkedIn and paste it into the company field in Airtable. You will also want to track the application status. In the status field, you could enter values like applied, interviews, or rejected. Copy that date and return to Airtable. Paste the date into the date applied field. Repeat this process for every job you wish to track. In Airtable, you can customize your view by using filters, sorts, or views to make tracking easier. Feel free to create additional tables for different job categories or stages in the application process. You can also add a notes column to jot down any important details regarding each application. Make sure to regularly update the status column as you progress through the application process. Now you have LinkedIn connected to Airtable for efficient job application tracking. Utilize this system to stay organized in your job search. Remember to revisit your Airtable base frequently to keep it up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.